to juggle 3 balls. First, take one ball, throw it up and down in your strong hand. Then take another ball in your weak hand and throw it up and down until you're used to throwing it and catching it. Then you're going to take both balls and you're going to throw them up and up and up, just back into the same hand. Once you get that down, do them at the same time. Time to add the third ball. The third ball is just this simple. We're going to call this ball 1, ball 2, and this one ball 3. Ready? Ball 1 goes up, catch ball 1. Try it again. Ready? And then catch it. Back and forth. Yep. Once you get this down, you get that motion down of juggling. Now you can take ball 1 and throw it in the air. And as ball 1 comes down, take ball 2 and toss it back. Just that simple. Keep that going. And once you get that down, as ball 2 comes down, throw ball 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You're juggling!